permitted to Tunisian people to overthrow the president, former dictator. But these regions were easy to put in the streets because they are regions forgotten by the development of the last years and even of a half century, because the government was always composed of members from the seashore. And what I see in this government, that even if it is transition government, there is nobody, no people from Sidi Bouzid or Kafrine, and these two regions have enough people able to take part in this reform and to go ahead.
Mr. Bouazi, let me ask you, when you look at the names and you see what has been happening, especially in the last 4 days in your country, do you believe that this action today